Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this 2012 Ford Focus Zetec. This one was registered on the 25th of June 2012, so it's just come up to 12 years old. You wouldn't think it though from the condition and the low mileage. It's the 1 litre EcoBoost and it has just had its wet belt entirely replaced, so that's excellent. That's a common thing for those to fail. But it's got a brand new one in now, so as long as it is serviced regularly with the correct oil, it should be a very reliable car for a good while. It's finished in Moondust Silver Metallic, which is a stunning colour, and it did also have the optional extra from factory of the rear parking pack, which gives you the rear parking sensors that do come through the infotainment screen. I'll take you inside the car now. It's a 5 doors, so nice and practical, and it's a 6-speed manual. As you can see there, it's on 55,135 miles, so not too bad at all. And like I say, the cam belt has just been done, which is really great. You've got DAB radio, another lovely feature. Not a lot of cars this sort of era had it, so that's great. I'll pop it into reverse. You see the rear sensors do pop up, which is great. I'll go backwards a bit, you can see those. So you can see they come up audibly as well as through the screen, so that's a great feature. Got the lever wrap multifunction steering wheel as well, which is excellent. Your phone controls are all there as well. Air conditioning, great for a warm day like today. You've got the grey and black cloth, very comfortable seats, same in the rear, and you've got 2 sets of ISOFIX points as well, which is great, and a lovely light headlining. Again, another nice feature of the vehicle. So very low mileage. You'd normally see that from a 5 to 7 year old Focus maybe, so this is 12 years old, so that's very good. Very low mileage indeed, and like I say, great that you have the peace of mind that everything's been changed. 6-speed manual. Ford are known for making very good manual transmissions, and the Focus is sort of a class standard for handling, but also it's quite comfortable ride as well. Got 17-inch alloys, which are lovely, front and rear fogs. And it's just quite a modern vehicle for its time. If you've got any questions about this Focus, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're very happy to help. We do offer part exchanges, are always welcome. Give us a call 01539 760 371 for more information, or if you want to book a test drive. Thank you for watching, and we hope to hear from you very shortly.